सके हम लोग कोशिश करें, ठीक है। आप लोग थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखिए, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा रखिए। हम लोग जितना हो सकता है हम लोग आपको सब वो करेंगे, और जो भी आपको खाने का कुछ भी होगा, हाँ वैसा हो सकता है कि आपको चिकन बिरयानी ना मिले, लेकिन आपको
Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad Sangma hak kejongi enlum Home Minister uba Lakmen Rambui ki MLA ki officer kata sengai kelahir jurep ya kesurok butua Lumshnong. Conrad ulayatu bu kesorkar kala persang buntau kilat kilongtei bun pun bahano ya kani kesurok. Warla kabor mariang kadang khanglat bot kadang selap hadu kata sengai. Ulaong bu UN Kyrmen da kebu thau da kiwe kilongtei bun pun kino ya la we jaka bun la bun chna ya kani kesurok kebu latwa. Ulaong bu UN Kyrmen bu hai ne sabu prah du nyapar kanda kinla bun thau kilat kilongtei bun pun bahano bot bun cok pelat ye trokit marbam kibukit highway jela kibu chat langba kani kesurok.
Right now at Lumshnong, about 1 kilometer from Lumshnong, where the landslide has taken place, and all the officials, including our Honorable Home Minister and the other officials, are here from the administration, from PWD, as well as from National Highway Authority of India. And of course, all efforts are being made to restore the entire road and get the accessibility through. But as you can see that there's a huge challenge. The rain is not stopping, but has come down, but it's still raining quite heavily. And so therefore we are hopeful that as the rain recedes and as the efforts are made to divert the flow of the water from the areas which are affecting the road connectivity, we should be able to restore some parts of the road in the next 24 hours and see some kind of movement for light motor vehicles also through this road itself. And we are hopeful that if the rains reduce and we are able to work, then in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, we should be able to see some movement of the heavy vehicles, especially the essential commodities, moving ahead in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, again depending on the rain conditions. We are able to work, then in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, we should be able to see some movement of the heavy vehicles, especially the essential commodities, moving ahead in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, again depending on the rain conditions. But in the meantime, we have also made an alternative route from the side going through some private land, which is allowing the small and lighter vehicle movements to take place. And so that is one thing that has already happened. The team has been working overtime, and all the efforts are being made from all agencies to ensure that not just the road is cleared, but also to ensure that any kind of support or relief material to be given to the people who are stuck along the highway is also being provided by the administration. I would like to thank the administration, the departments, and also the companies and the NGOs and other organizations that have been supporting and coming together in a difficult time like this to really help the people. And I'm sure that with all the efforts put together, that we will be very shortly be able to bring back things to normalcy. So that is the condition right now, and we're hopeful that in the next 48 hours to 72 hours, we should be able to see movement of more vehicles to the